Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your very first screencast video. I should say the weekly screencast video. So, as I mentioned in my announcement here, I will publish the schedule and discuss the week's happenings in this screencast. I clean up or do any housekeeping issues on coursework or trends, keeping all the students notified of what's happening, information that was really necessary to your overall success. So I usually do this on the weekend, push it out on sometime on Sunday. If I'm a little late, it'll be on Monday, but you'll know what the weekly schedule will entail. So this is a very light first week. Class introductions are happening right now in discussion board number one, and you want to make sure you take advantage of this because this is how we build a sense of community here in an online classes where everybody speaks to each other in an asynchronous manner, and you really get a chance to interact with your classmates. And the discussion board is more than that pesky busy work. It is really where you build community and share your ideas. It's the only way we have of doing that in an online class. All right, so it's important that you introduce yourself to the class and begin the process of getting to know each other and responding to the questions in a prompt. So right now, in the first unit, not only do I have another listing here for the discussion board, but also in the first unit, I do have some resources for you. I've accumulated all of the links, what each particular department might do if you're looking for some help or any kind of assistance from the college. You might want to check out the very first course unit here was getting to know your classmates. All right, and then next week I'll talk about the reflective essay, which is coming up in another week. And let me get to my announcements here. All righty, so as I say here, be sure to always watch the screencast video. It'll inform you as to what's happening for the week of the course, right? So introductions are due. I'll post the lecture video of the syllabus. You may want to download a copy and read it. I will point out the important policies in this syllabus that really do affect your performance in grading, so you should be aware of those. And by Sunday, you have the responses. If you care to move ahead, we can take a look at the diagnostic reflective essay assignment here. I will talk about next week's happenings on my screencast video for the week 2 schedule. All right. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.